All right, welcome back. I think this is video number 8 in our LX450 restoration series, and I'm really excited about this one because I've got the rig in the background, we've got the canvas on, and we're about 98% complete, or maybe 99% complete with the Campteq interior camper portion of the build. So in the meantime, we did get the leather seats and the Delta console installed. We also, and along with all of the little organizational accessories from Solve Function and Wits End. I didn't want to forget to mention them. The only thing that we're lacking in this build right now is the electrical and the plumbing, and that's by design, that's by intention, because I think I may have, and pardon me, I'm going to look at my phone here for a second. I think I may have, I got to unlock it, I may have roped in the one and only Chris Marzonie and talked him into helping with the plumbing. If you're not familiar with Chris's overland history, you can check out his website at bajataco.com. I'm sorry it's backwards, but I'm in selfie mode, but that's bajataco.com. He's been driving a 98 Tacoma for a very long time. It's been through a few iterations of overland builds, and you can check out the most recent iteration at Chris Marzonie at Instagram. For this video, I think we're just going to go ahead and get these Oem Mirrors installed, and then I'm going to give you a little kind of pre-tour of the interior of this rig. Now, I'm not going to kill you with a super tedious how-to step-by-step. I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to begin by popping the armrest off. You pop that up, and then I'll remove the fasteners in the handles, and then using a couple of tools, I'll go ahead and work my way around, removing the door panel, and once that's off, I can go ahead and pop off this little triangle. That'll give me access to the fasteners, and I'll be able to change the plug which hangs further down in the door, and then I'll reassemble it all in reverse sequence. All right, hold on. I may have jumped the gun a little bit. I am going to give you a little bit of a tutorial, and it has to do with this little connector. A little advice to help you when you pull the mirror off and you fish this wire back up out through the door. You're going to find that this little connector is taped to the wire, kind of like it is over here on the new one. And then this side of it punches out through the door near the hinge, and so you're going to have to reach from the outside, pinch this, and then disconnect it. Let me just show you really quickly on the vehicle where this thing is going to be. You're going to reach up, it's going to be in the hole, so you're going to be reaching up in through here, right? And then let me just back up, right? So here's the hole. You're going to be reaching up to about where the hinge is, and then on the outside, this is going to be just poking out a little bit. So then you have to pinch it, and then you pull it out, and then you can fish it out. All right, I'm going to call that mission accomplished. A little dusty, but they're brand new. The idea is functionality. I think they look great, and they work. Go ahead and move them a little bit. And works in all directions. Wow, I think we're good to go. And finally, I want to give you a quick look at the finished interior, the way it is. Let me just push the kitchen in. Now, I do want to wait until Monday or Tuesday when Eric returns, because I want him to give you the full tour. He just put so much thought, so much detail, and there are so many little kind of hidden tricks and conveniences and ergonomics in this, and I want him to explain all of it. So just want to give you a look up at the standing room. Again, I'll have Eric give you the full tour. You might notice that I removed the Red Arc controller temporarily. That's because we have it fitted back here. We're going to have dual controllers. So that's how that'll end up. So I can walk in here. I'm just going to stand up. Yeah, you can stand up completely and put your clothes on. And here's a look. I'm going to flip on a light here. Here's a look at our seats and our Delta console, shifter console, and of course the LS430 visors worked out great with the custom overhead console. And we will get that powder coated to match the Delta, because I got the right guy helping on that. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you'll come back when Eric is back in the shop on Monday or Tuesday and enjoy the full tour with all the hidden little treasures that he's built into this. He's off skiing in the mountains right now. He'll be back Monday or Tuesday. We'll see you then. There I go again.